Okay, so prettier.tslintIntegration. And this is a deprecated setting. And the reasoning is the same with prettier ESLint integration and prettier stylint integration. The point of prettier is to format the code, and the point of a linter is to lint the code. So the best practice is to have prettier do its thing and format the code, and then install a linter like ESLint, which I think that's the best one, and have it lint the code and completely ignore formatting rules. Because separation of concerns makes things easier. And because this is a deprecated setting, and this was used in the past to allow Prettier to actually use Prettier TSLint instead of Prettier, which is kind of a mix between the two. But because this doesn't work anymore, or this setting is deprecated, and rightfully so, we're going to delete it.